time. We're sorry for any inconvenience this may cause.
See, on MVP shoots, everything goes smoothly. We really have never any issues. What's up, everybody? It's about 8 a.m. I am headed to the airport right now. Today we are flying out to Nassau in the Bahamas. We are shooting a boat for marine video production, pretty large boat. We're going to be doing a charter video. Not that big of a production with models and all this stage scenes and all that. Is mostly going to be the boat and maybe some of the crew using some of the water toys and going about the day. There are probably going to be some guests on board, so we'll see what the logistics have in store. Calling the Uber right now, and I'll see you guys in Nassau. All right, we've arrived here at the Bahamas, Nassau. Beautiful weather, lightning strikes off in the distance. Just need to contact the captain and have the tender meet us up here. What's going on with that, Bernie?
Calling the captain right now. We just landed. We're here at the pickup spot. Let's call him right now.
Should be easy enough.
The person you are calling cannot accept calls at this time. We're sorry for any inconvenience this may cause.
See, on MVP shoots, everything goes smoothly. We really have never any issues. We have wrapped up a large portion of the lifestyle shots, a lot of things with the jet skis, with the tender, a bunch of drone stuff. A cloud pretty much obscured the scene just as soon as we started, pretty much. So we didn't really have the sunniest of shots, but the sunset might turn out to be better than anything that we've gotten so far today, even though we got all the action shots. Also got some dope FPV drone flying. From here, we're gonna shoot some more twilight night scenes at the jacuzzi and some of the rooftop areas. It's day 2 out here in the Bahamas. Sunrise. Still probably gonna put the drone up and get some shots. And actually the weather, the rest of the sky looks pretty clear, so the weather for today should be pretty great. So we have completed a lot of the daytime stuff. We had pretty good amount of hours with sun. So we got all the lifestyle running shots, lifestyle toys stuff, cruising around, using the slide, the blob, all that good stuff. Drone underwater, just all angles covered. Right now we're doing the running shots, but unfortunately the cloud has come pretty much at the same time as yesterday and obscured the sun. Just wrapped up the photo shoot for MVP. 2 pretty long days. First day was longer. Today, let's say call it a day and a half. Pretty much knocked out all our remaining shots. We got Mr. MVP coming in here.
We got ice.
We got Chivas, we got ice. We're at the Comfort Inns. We're
Ice.
not at the Atlantis, we're by the Atlantis.
We're on the property of Atlantis. This was as close as we could get to stay within budget. Because MVP, it's not only about giving you the best quality, but also the best value.
The funk real. The funk real.